In this video, we'll show you how to turn off your laptop's internal keyboard when you are using an external keyboard. So to do this, simply right click on the start icon and then select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, you'll need to go to this keyboard section and then expand it. Now here you might see a few entries. First, you will need to identify which entry is for your laptop's internal keyboard. So for that, simply right click on the entry and then select Properties. Now here you should see a few things. So the thing you want to look for is that they ensure that the hardware device is connected. So this one says it's not connected. So this is unlikely to be your laptop's internal keyboard. So we'll just go through all the entries one by one and then see if the device is actually connected. So this one also says it's not connected. You will also need to look for location here. So if it says Bluetooth HID, it's likely to be your Bluetooth keyboard or one of the Bluetooth keyboards you are using. So this one is also not your internal keyboard. So you can go through all the entries. And so for me, it's this last entry. So it says the device is working properly and it says on USB input device. So this is my internal laptop keyboard. Once you have identified your laptop keyboard, simply right click on it and then select Uninstall device and then click on Uninstall again to confirm. Once you do this, your laptop's internal keyboard will stop working. However, if you want to undo this change, or if at any point you want to re-enable the keyboard, all you have to do is simply click on this Scan for Hardware Changes button. Once you do, your laptop's keyboard driver will reappear and you can check its property and it will say it's working properly. You should also be able to use it. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.